hello. Welcome back to Primrose. Welcome back indeed. There's a fire in front of my face. Hello, everyone. This is Tom Nuggets. It's 1:37 p.m. Excuse me. This happy Friday, March 13th, 2026. Now for today's news. You guess what, everybody? Guess who's moved in? Someone named Cookie. Primrose gained a new neighbor today. Cookie. I like cookies. If you happen to see her, please give her a warm welcome. She may be a permanent resident. Who knows? That's all for me. I do hope you enjoy another fine day of luxurious Primrose living. Alright. Okay. Yeah, anyways, welcome back, and hey look, we got a park bench here, yeah, I think our monkey guy, Shang, gave it to us. I think I remember that correctly. Excuse me. So yeah, we got all this room for collecting seashells today. And I guess we can collect some seashells. You're back, are you? Oh, good. We're not gonna be freaking interacting with you for a while. A while and a half. Yay, all the oranges are on the trees again. Yay. Hey, look, my sister's vault. Bye. Look at all these oranges. Look at all these oranges. Sonic, why are there wood sprawled all over the place? Well, I just didn't get the chance to collect wood from all these trees. And besides, these are still juvenile trees. They're not ready. And also, we still have this bridge here. So, let's go meet Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Oh, she's a dog. And it's not that bad, I guess. But hey, nice that you got Carboxy's family all over the place. Hi, Cookie. Hi, I just moved here, and it's Cookie. You're Panda Queen, right? Hey, I'm deep in the middle of unpacking, but when I'm done, you should totally come over. Oh my gosh, you're going to freak out about how adorable the place is and once we'll finish. Harper. Okay, thanks for that, Cookie. Bye-bye. Take care of her, Carboxy's family. What do you mean by that? I'm gonna watch her. Right. Now, dang it, what am I doing? I need this. Also, Sonic planted roses here. And here. And here. This is just bigger. These trees are failing to grow on the beach. They're growing. What are you talking about, man? I'm just saying. And we have roses here. Is it a great cream? Yes, it's wonderful. Now we can have our own Rose Theme Island. Rose Peach Theme Island. On this side, at least. For now. It's growing slowly. And surely. We'll get it done one way or another. Because one way or another, we're gonna get all of our stuff back. We're gonna get all of our animals that we require and cherish. Yeah. Also, not one peach has decided to show up yet because they're not grown yet. But they're on the brink of growing. So what's in the bottle today, Amy? Let's see. Annalisa! I almost said Annalise, but whatever. There's someone on an island out there. This new DIY recipe was inspired by a scene of a novel I'm reading right now and really enjoying. I will trusted my recipe to the sea in the hope someone makes it. Try it if you have the materials. I can't speak. Best wishes. Thanks. We got a crust today. Yeah, it's so great. It's what we always wanted and never make. Anyways, what are we doing today? Sonic was on the agenda. I don't know, we just gotta wait for our next animal for tomorrow, and yeah. Oh yeah, the wardrobe. I remember now. Cool, man, let's go. Let us in, let us in. Hey there, what's up? Where's this thing? What are you? What? Didn't you just say you had the wardrobe or whatever? I do. What the heck now? Oh yeah. Well, once per day, accessing the Nook Stop Award, your bonus daily miles. 7 days in a row. Congratulations. 300 bonus miles. And it sticks to 7 plus days in a row in case you keep on doing it daily. You better. Anyways, please select from the following services. What did I look shopping today? Alright. We need a pocket organizer guide, Sonic, to get one more slot. We do we? Oh, good. We'll worry about these another day when it's more important. Yeah, you're right. Hello, Duck. We have the wardrobe. Ah, Penguins. Hello, hello. Would you like to talk to me all that? I'm all ears. About that workshop. Oh, Panda Queen, you got your wooden wardrobe? Cool. I think that means it's time for you to customize it. I'll give you the customization kits you'll need in a moment. Now, please step up to the workbench. Slide. You look like you're ready now with your wooden wardrobe. I think that means it's time for you to customization it. Panda Queen, I'll give you some customization kits. Let me just walk over and just hand it to you like 3 feet over. Next, pull out your wooden wardrobe and try to customize it, okay? Okay, get in there. Okay, fine. Don't ask my opinion. What color you want, guys? What are we in the mood for, Sonic? We can go for blue for my color. You can go for cherry wood like Knuckles. What do you want to go with, honey? Let's go with blue. Blue like Sonic. Ah. Yes, masterfully done. As you just seen, customization items is quite easy when you have customization kits and a workbench. Even though you technically have to take some of the freaking customable furniture to a certain alpaca, make sure he does it himself, and you gotta pay him bills and other stuff like that. But what am I saying? You haven't been that island yet. You can take the extras from the days. My gift to you. Use them in your future customization project. As graduate my workshop, you'll now be able to buy any kits you need from the shop. Now, for the most part, you can customize furniture from other items you may not DIY projects. However, some of the mass market furniture items sold in the shop can also withstand some customization. You hear? For example, you might be able to change an item's fabric or add customer design. Yeah, figure out your customization, how you can customize. There's so many customizing these sentences. It can be a lot of fun. And this concludes my workshop on customization. I hope you put it on our fashion show in your home using custom woodwork wardrobe. Thought I'd have it would be a storage. Making a storage. Cool. Can't wait to see it. Now, take a break. I do believe you earned it. First off, what do we do? Yes, that is the question. I can't think of any more advice to give you, Panda Queen. You accomplished so much. I'm sure you can find your own ways of having fun, living the best life, paying me back in bills, keep doing it over and over again. You know the gist. Oh, don't we ever. Also, don't question it. There might be a cardboard box uprising soon. Don't question it. Don't question it. I'm questioning it. Don't question it. Alright, bye. Guys, I said don't question it. Anyways, should we sell those? Probably. Hello, Clay. Wow, Sonic, you are exhausted. I'm not exhausted. I'm just sleepy. I didn't get a nap today. My poor Sonic. Hey there, Panda Queen. I was going for a walk because I was all unpacked and figured out, hey, I got feet. I ought to do stuff with them, even though I have no idea how I cross without using a bridge or whatever. But don't question it. It's fine. Besides, I hope I see you if I walk around outside long enough, and I did. Thanks, feet. So, I brought a present for you today. This makes us officially licensed friends now. It does? Cool. A glowing moss pond that I made. Making those kind of my secret skill. You know their greatest decoration too? You can stick them anywhere. Okay. I can't wait to have lots of naps sometimes around here. Maybe the whole island could nap all at once. Together. It'd be nighttime, but at some other weirder time. Like, man. Anytime is weird for this day. Idea, huh? I don't know. Don't question it. Anyways. Looking for a house. We're still moving our house sometime in the future soon. I can't keep going this way, Tails. Well, you're the one that made us put it up by the frickin' pond. Not my problem. Glowing Moss Pond. Excuse me. Well, excuse me. Well, geez, why didn't you ask my opinion? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. We'll think about something to do with that. Also, I don't want this banner. We gotta do something with this outside somewhere. It's great. Guess I can put it in the center right here. What do I know? There, it sticks out. Yes, Kerboxy. Don't question it. I didn't want to hold it. Damn it. Freaking fool can't even freaking do things. I got everything under control. It's fine. I'm so gonna organize this island one way or another. You do that. I'll be your helper. Hey guys, what's in the shop today? Basically, nothing good. Why is there like a fence here and you're hiding nothing but clay pots? Right, you can have all of these. Well, that's a lot. Is that what mostly we did? Mostly. Pay off finally our freaking house. I guess. I don't know. Milk is stingy. I also have to do daily chores. We just need 21,000 bells now. Boo. Where the heck are we supposed to get all that? I don't know. It takes a while. What's it to you? Dang it. Give me this. Well, they want us to sell fruit and weeds. Might as well do that. So, can I do something about this orange tree here? It's not supposed to be here originally anymore. Why do we keep going around? Why anything? Yeah, we got things we can give you. Man, this day is kind of a slow, boring day if you ask me. Anyways, hi guys. Got some more things to sell you, so here you go. We're 1,000 way there. Getting close. Now I gotta just talk 3 of our animals. That's not hard to do. I took a photo, that's for one. Excellent. Check. We're good to go. Oh, Clay is over here doing something. Why would you want to touch a fish?
Why not? They're slimy and gross.
We haven't seen Flo all day. You know what that means? She's probably building something. And I'm wrong there.
Thanks.
Oh, okay. Sweet. Learn an iron garden table. Congratulations to us. I know I saw him over here. Now it looks like we gotta go all the way back over here just to talk to our new villager, I guess. Hello, Cookie.
Hi, Cookie. Welcome back. Parents with the desk and... Oh my gosh, it's adorable! This is just like ridiculous! Hello? Were you eavesdropping on me talking to myself? I'm so embarrassed. Trying to bring the perfect world of Cookie out of my brain into my little home.
Yeah, what I said. Yeah, what she said. That's a sea bass, that's too easy. Alright, see you another time, Cookie, I guess. Get me our monkey at all.
Alright, now we got nothing else to do, and so yeah.
Let's see you, Gabaxi. No, I wouldn't know. Right! What other chores do we have to do today, Sonic? I don't know. Did mostly this. Yeah, fences. I guess I could make a garden later. It's fine. Don't question it. Because as I said, I was going to take those flowers up on those hills and make a garden somewhere. Yeah, I guess we could do that later. Everything else, we're leaving early.
Alright.
Fine, it is a Knuckles. We'll sit on this bench.
This is Amy. This cream. Are these orange trees meant to be here, Sonic?
Not tonight. Wait, no. They'll be either sold or chopped down soon enough.
Okay.
Anyways, Sonic have been having a good day. He's trying to hurt himself or anybody. Don't question it.